Now, can stomach rumbles be cured? The short answer is no, because they're a natural part of digestion. However, if excessive or loud rumbling is a concern, there are steps you can take to manage it. Adjusting your diet to avoid gas-producing foods, eating smaller meals more frequently, and staying hydrated can all help. If you suspect an underlying condition, consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. In conclusion, stomach rumbling is a normal bodily function. Understanding why it happens can help demystify those unexpected noises and reassure you that your digestive system is doing its job. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more medical insights. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.